Hey guys, welcome to lesson 3, how to find the shorter side. So let's start with Pythagoras' theorem as we know it, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. This is great for finding the hypotenuse, but we want to find the shorter side. So let's write it the other way around. Let's put a squared plus b squared on the left hand side. And then let's remove the b squared. So to remove it, we do minus b squared on both sides. And finally, we make a squared the subject. So a squared equals c squared minus b squared, where a is the unknown shorter side, c is the hypotenuse, and b is the known shorter side. Alright, first question. We start by writing the formula. A squared equals c squared minus b squared. The unknown shorter side is x, so we replace a with x. So x squared equals 10 squared minus 8 squared. So previously it wasn't that important which side came first and which side came second, but this time it is. The hypotenuse must come first. So 10 is the hypotenuse, 10 must come first, 10 squared minus 8 squared, that's 36. So x is the square root of 36, which is 6 centimeters. Don't forget your units. Second question, very similar to the first, except straight off the bat, we notice that one is in millimeters and another side is in centimeters. So we change our units so they're both the same. So 80 millimeters becomes 8 centimeters, and we follow the same process. We write our formula, a squared equals c squared minus b squared. That means y squared equals 17 squared take away 8 squared. This gives us 225. So y is the square root of 225, which is 15. And once again, we need our units, which is centimeters. Third question, very similar to the first two. We write our formula, and that gives us x squared equals 10 squared take away 3 squared, which is 91. So x equals the square root of 91, or approximately 9.54, to 2 decimal places. Now there are no units for this question, so we put a U next to our responses so that that represents units. Once again, you stop at the second last step if it asks you for exact form, but if it asks you to round, then you go all the way to the end. Alright, that's it for lesson 3. See you guys soon in lesson 4.